let me show you something here on this one. Misfire faults. But what I'm looking at most importantly, let me just show you the trouble codes first. All the cylinders are misfiring. You got system 2 lean, random misfires. Customer, okay, this is another shot. Surging, poor idling, etc. So whenever I see a system 2 lean, 171, 174, 171 is what you're showing us. This is just a single bank engine. I'm gonna pop the hood. Now this thing was whistling earlier, but you can see it's unstable. You can see that it's surging. So with lean fault and the misfires under load, there is no misfire. Get you some brake clean, parts wash. Look at that. So the engine speeds up. There it is. It's in here. So they just put an engine in this one. So just look for anomalies. Look at this. Intake route is bad. It actually goes in back here. This is obviously keyed correctly, but it's torn. It's sucking in that unneeded air. So this was an easy one. So my point, misfires and lean faults, adaptation faults, smoke the engine if need be, but sometimes it can be as easy as just spraying some parts clean to quickly locate an area of concern and then get further.